action.
All right, we're live.
This fell.
Oh.
So I picked it up.
Okay, so this is our final installation of our first-time buyer home buyer series, and this one is titled the Platinum Grant Program. I've never been fond of this program. Honestly, I thought it was stupid. It doesn't work hardly at all for people. So I don't do it unless you meet this certain little box or this bubble. Then I think, hey, it's a pretty good program. But it's really okay. I want to be more positive.
It's very complex. But
Okay.
if you do qualify and you meet these certain criteria, you can benefit from doing the program. So they have an FHA grant program and they have a conventional grant program.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't care too much for the FHA grant program because we have other options like we talked about in the previous emails, FHA and CalHAFA. So the Platinum FHA just didn't quite make sense. So we did
It was stupid, basically. So what I said earlier.
So we did the conventional one where we thought, hey, that's pretty good for someone that needs help, buying a home and doesn't want a crazy payment and wants to go conventional because they don't want that monthly mortgage insurance. So we did a scenario with a $350 sales price and it's conventional 5% down. So because it's the conventional Platinum program, you get a 5% grant to help towards your closing cost. So the money you need to come in with is $10,399, and your payments roughly around $2,246 or so. But you do need to have a 660 or better FICO, and your DTI cannot be above 45. So that's
what she said.
Those are the niches of the program.
Well, and one thing that I think is really cool about this program when you compare and contrast with the CalHAFA is that the grant means they're giving it to you. You do not have to pay it back. So in this scenario, though, you did need $10,000. They're giving you $17,000, which is pretty cool. And the payment is the lowest of all the options. So when you can see when someone comes in, we're looking at all of the programs. Where do you fit best? And what are your specific needs? And not only that, it's like, what property are you purchasing? Some properties, they only qualify for conventional financing. And so that's going to drive us to a different product or program or what have you. That's what we do. We're really good at it, like super good, like the best.
At everything.
Okay, I think that's it. Do I have any questions? Let me see. Why can't I see?
Scroll down.
Okay, nope, no questions. But thank you for all the positive feedback. We appreciate it. And when you're looking to buy or sell in Southern California, think of me, Teresa Tims, the SoCalLoanPro.com. Until next time. You're so silly.